Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying your SAC license and that you have modeler permissions. Once confirmed, open connections and add a live or import connection. Enter host and credentials, then test. Next, pull in a small dataset or point to your live source and create an initial model with time and measure fields. Make sure to map keys and set data types correctly. This prevents later mismatch errors and lets you proceed to enrich the model immediately. Once the model exists, define dimensions and hierarchies and add master measures so your analytics stay consistent. You'll create calculated columns and measures for KPIs. Use composite models or joins if you need blended data from multiple sources. Then start a story, add pages, choose charts and tables, apply filters and input controls, and enable cross-highlighting. Make sure to adjust chart bindings to the correct measures and set default filters so viewers see meaningful results right away. You finish by polishing visuals, setting responsive layout, and adding commentary so consumers understand insights. Once done, configure data refresh schedules and secure access by assigning roles and folder permissions, then publish the story to your audience. Export PDFs or live links as needed. If something breaks, first check the connection and credentials, then verify model mappings and user permissions. Finally, clear browser cache or try another browser. This sequence quickly narrows the cause and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.